Hey guys, this is Sean Mory joining you for episode 2 of our 5-part webisode on intellectual property, joined once again with Angela. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Angela is our thought leader on everything related to intellectual property, and today, Angela, we'd love to hear a little bit about why protecting your intellectual property is so important.
That is a great question. You know, it really just boils down to one word.
Okay.
Copy. Why would you want to invest so much time and energy into a great idea or a great marketing strategy or, you know, this great hot new fill-in-the-blank product to go onto the market just for somebody to come along and copy what you've done?
Okay.
And that really is the beauty of intellectual property. So it really is protecting the creations of the mind. And so what you want to do is protect your ideas, your innovations, so that someone can't come along and simply copy what you've done and make more money than you on that idea that you had first.
Okay.
And so we can do that through the trademark process, through the copyright process, through the trade secret protections, and of course through the patent system, depending on what the content is or what the innovation is. But those are the areas that we can protect when it comes to intellectual property. And quite frankly, it's really about keeping people from copying what you've done and making money off of your innovations.
So my mind goes directly to something. So one of the employees here at Lincred a couple of years ago, he created a Facebook page, and it's specifically directed towards nerds. And I won't go plugging his information on here today, but basically he created a website that I don't think he ever paid for any intellectual property on it. So if I went and copied his Facebook page and made a website and installed all his information and then paid you to then copyright all that, he would be out of info, right? Is that basically what we're getting at?
Well, I would make sure that I really ask tough questions of clients like you, because we don't want to protect what someone else is creating.
Of course.
So that's the most important thing. But with respect to your friend, the one thing that he has going for him is that, you know, for copyrights, let's just say what he's created is some phenomenal content on his Facebook page or on his website. Copyright laws keep people from literally copying and pasting that and putting it into their own vehicle, into their own Facebook page, into their own website. So I think it's a great idea for small businesses, large businesses, you name it, to really understand what intellectual property is all about. And it can protect from things that you think of as maybe fairly insignificant. They can have huge impact. They can have huge impact on your business if you take the steps to protect them.
Oh, that makes perfect sense, you know, because for me, a lot of our clients, you know, they're starting with Facebook. They're starting with very basic websites, and they probably, a lot of the times, you know, they won't even set up an entity sometimes until they have the money for their business, but they've already got that idea and they've already got that information out there. So what you're saying is the sooner you start patenting or copywriting, the better off you're going to be?
Yeah, you know, with respect to IP, you know, it really does run the gamut. There's no one size that fits all. In other words, you know, copyright is a little bit different than patents, is a little bit different than trade secrets, but you know, how to protect the innovations and the ideas, you really do want to talk to a lawyer, even if it's just for 30 minutes, to talk about what you have as a business and kind of brainstorm about ways that you can get the most value from the laws.
Okay, beautiful. So guys, that's a little bit about protecting intellectual property and why that's so important. If you'd like to talk more with Angela, we're going to have her information listed in the actual description below in our video. So please feel free to contact her, and we hope this information was helpful. Have a great day.